Welcome, my friends. I'm Miroslav, and today we're going to be making pizza bombs.
You're going to need 5 cups of flour, 1 cup of warm water, 1 cup of warm milk, 1/4 cup of oil, 1 tablespoon of yeast, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 egg yolk. Start by placing the flour in a bowl. Using a spoon, make a well in the center. Add yeast. Add sugar. Then pour in the warm milk. Stir gently for about 5 minutes to activate the yeast. Next, add the salt, then 1/4 cup of oil, and finally, the warm water. Knead the dough until it becomes soft, smooth, and no longer sticky. This is what it's supposed to look like, smooth and soft. Lightly oil a bowl and place the dough inside. Coat the dough with a little oil. Cover it with plastic wrap. And a towel and set it aside to rise. When the dough has doubled in size, shape it into a ball and divide it into 12 equal pieces. Shape each piece into a small ball. Cover with plastic wrap and let it rest for 10 to 15 minutes. For the filling, you'll need 1 cup of pizza sauce, 1 cup of mozzarella cheese, pepperoni or sliced ham, and a 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese. Take each dough ball and stretch it by hand into a 6-inch round. Spread a bit of pizza sauce on each. Then add pepperoni or ham, followed by a sprinkle of mozzarella cheese. Gather the four corners of the dough and pinch them together at the center. Then gather the remaining corners to form a smooth, round ball. Flip it over and place it on a parchment-lined baking pan. Repeat with the remaining dough balls. Cover with a towel and let them sit for another 10 minutes. For the topping, mix 1 egg yolk with 1 teaspoon of oregano, and brush it gently over each dough ball. Sprinkle a bit of Parmesan cheese on top, if desired. Now preheat your oven to 360 and bake it for 25 to 30 minutes. There you have it, golden, delicious pizza bites to enjoy.
I hope you enjoy cooking with me. Please click like, and if you're new to this channel, click subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.